Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a complete personal experience and impressions after using Audible audiobook subscription for quite a while now. I'm going to be covering the pricing, the plan options, some key features that you need to know about, pros and cons, and everything that you need to know to decide if an Audible membership is worthwhile for you to try. So let's get ahead and start with it. So first of all, studies consistently demonstrate that successful CEOs read an average of 60 books every year, whereas typical employees and other people only read around 2 annually. There is a clear correlation between reading volume and career success. But in today's busy world, many people struggle to find times to sit down and read physical print books cover to cover. This is the core problem that Audible solves. Audible allows you to listen to audiobooks during your commute, workout, cooking, errands, and everything you can think of. It enables you to absorb more books while multitasking. So if you want to give Audible a completely risk-free trial after hearing my review today, then make sure to use the link in the video description down below. It will grant you an entire month of free Audible trial, including one audiobook that you can download of your choice for free. Alright, so let's first talk about the pricing and the subscription tiers Audible offers. This will help you understand what you get at each plan level. So at the moment we have Audible Plus, which offers you a 30-day trial, and then after that it's going to cost $7.95 per month. You will get a bunch of features such as listen all you want to a selection of included originals, audiobooks, sleep tracks, there's even meditation programs and podcasts. Whereas we have Audible Premium Plus, which again for a 30-day trial, after that it's going to be around $15 per month. It has basically the same exact features as Audible Plus, but then it offers a one title per month from an extended selection for bestsellers and new releases that you can keep forever. Now I must mention that you can also purchase credits and then use these credits to buy specific audiobooks, and you might be wondering how much do these credits actually save you compared to just buying audiobooks outright without a membership. And we can do a quick example to find out. You can head over to the popular best-selling books, check how much they cost. So we got this one for example, which costs this amount of money if purchased individually without credits. However, with an active Audible membership, you can just use one credit worth of $15 to get the same title. So that way you can save over 50% of the retail price by using credits compared to buying audiobooks the traditional way. And those savings really add up if you listen to multiple books per month. Now another tip that I would give you on credits is that you should use or redeem them within 1 year of being issued before they expire. Even if you don't listen to the audiobook right away, be sure to redeem credits for books you want in your permanent library so they don't go to waste. And once an audiobook is purchased with a credit and is in your account, it's yours to listen to or download forever, even if you end up canceling your membership later on down the road. Okay, so now that we have a clearer idea of what the subscription plans and the pricings are like, let me give you a quick tour of what the Audible application actually looks like and how it works for listening to audiobooks. Once you create your account, the Audible application allows you to access your full audiobook library, download titles for offline use, you can play your books, and redeem those monthly credits. Your library is neatly organized into categories like books you're currently listening to, already finished books, titles you've wishlisted, and more. It's very user-friendly. You can also download any of your audiobooks within the application for offline listening when you know you don't have internet access, like on a plane for example, or sometimes you just go to specific places where your internet does not really work that well, so that wouldn't be a problem with offline play option. When you open up an audiobook, it will automatically resume playback right where you left off, so you never lose your place, no need to manually find your spot. Useful playback features include skipping forward or back 30 seconds with a single tap, changing narration speed if needed. You can set sleep timers to stop playback after a set time, and much more. So for example, personally I tend to listen at 1.25 speed because I find that pace more comfortable and easier to absorb versus the normal speed, but I would advise you to play with it and find what suits you. The Audible app also prominently features your monthly Audible originals, which are exclusive audiobook titles included, free with your online membership plan. So let's take a look. Under the Originals tab, you'll see this month's selection of free titles across different genres and lengths that you can instantly redeem. You will find that most originals are fiction, and if it is your typical taste, then you should definitely make sure that you grab them. There's also usually a non-fiction title or two mixed in, and since they're free, it's never really bad to check them out. So to summarize, the Audible app makes it super easy and seamless to access your personal library, download books for offline playing, listen at adjustable speeds, and redeem those free originals every month. And in my experience, having an active Audible membership absolutely has been worth every penny, and that's because I personally use it consistently rather than letting credits go to waste. Just like a gym membership, Audible is only a good value if you take full advantage of everything included and make it a habit to listen consistently. Don't sign up unless you plan to use it. And the convenience of being able to listen to my expanding audiobook library during my daily commute to work or at the gym instead of music has been a total game changer. You can absorb so many more valuable books on personal development, business, and other topics over a prolonged period of time than you would have otherwise. You will notice how it expands your knowledge and skills tremendously. And also, let's not forget that consuming books via audio rather than physical print is way more environmentally friendly and sustainable, since it really eliminates paper waste and resources used to produce physical materials. And while I know that everyone's taste varies, I found overall Audible audiobook selection to be incredibly vast with tons of educational bestsellers across every imaginable genre and subject, more than I'll likely ever listen to. So honestly, the only real downsides that I've experienced with Audible over the past year are that credits expire if you don't use them within 1 year of being issued, so you need to stay on top of redeeming them. And also we have the other one that you can't really easily lend out audiobooks to friends and family like you could with a physical copy. We know that digital rights management prevents easy sharing. So if none of these two are a deal breaker for you, as long as you actively use your credits each month, Audible is absolutely worth the money in my opinion for anyone looking to level up their knowledge and become a lifelong learner. So once again, if you want to give Audible a try completely risk-free, go ahead and grab our trial link down in the video description. You're gonna get one free audiobook download along to Audible originals to keep even if you decide to cancel later on. So let me know if you have any other questions. I hope that this walkthrough and review has helped you explain exactly what you get with Audible and whether or not it may be a good fit for your own lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable to watch, let us know by directly supporting this channel by leaving a like and subscribing for our future content.